YouTube video. Kind of, you know, I honestly don't even know what this video is gonna be about. Have a pretty crazy landlady lord. She's kind of crazy. Interesting fact, I was promised this little mini fridge over here. I moved in, she was like, "You're gonna have a mini fridge." Not even 2 hours later, landlady lord, she's like, "Do you want to give this mini fridge to the guy that I just rented out the room to next door?" This motherfucking bitch tried to guilt me. I didn't pay rent. Anyways, not only that, they literally no locks on these doors. If these people want to murder me, they can literally murder me. Landlady lord wakes up at 2 in the morning and is like, "I don't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all won't get no sleep because of me." Also, like, another interesting fact, literally, she has this camera. She got this camera recording, and she didn't tell anyone about it. No one. That's illegal. Not only that, she literally yelled at me for the conversation she legally recorded while I was on the phone, because I didn't know about that camera. And I mean, that's illegal. Also, a personal problem right now, I only got 1 roll of toilet paper left, and that's a struggle. Shit, you know. I crap you not, she went to a dump to get the beds for the rooms. A dump. They're dirty. Oh, she's coming up the stairs and there's no lock. Chance I'm gonna get murdered right now? Pretty good. Let's go downstairs real quick and see that illegal camera of hers. And I'll also show y'all the mattress. Y'all tell me if those look new. There's the illegal camera. Girl, somehow I'm sweaty as hell from making this video. I don't even know why.